This regular octagon where each side is 6 centimeters, and we're asked to find the area of the square ACEG. So first thing is this internal angle is 135, and it comes from the sum of internal angles is n minus 2 times 80. We have 8 of them, so we'll see if that angle is going to come handy and divide by 8. So if you already know it, you can just mark that. And we'll call the side of the square S. That's length S. So I need to, if I draw that, this would be half the diagonal of the square. So diagonal of a square is S root 2. So this would be S root 2 over 2. So somehow I have to link the side here. So if I connect these two here, we know that this is S over 2, because that's half of the side of the square. So if I can figure that out in terms of S over 2, well, that one is, because this is 45, this is our right isosceles triangle, so this is also S over 2. Now we know this entire length is S root 2 over 2, so this piece here, let me call this point, let's say X. BX would be S root 2 over 2, half the diagonal, minus S over 2. So that's the first step. Some of you might know this result. I've seen it before, but I don't have it memorized. So we know this length, we know that. So we have this in terms of S, and we know 6. So we can apply the Pythagorean theorem. So actually we didn't end up needing this angle here, but I think this is good to know. Sometimes comes in handy. So here, if you look at this right triangle here, that length BX is what I just figured out. So we apply the Pythagorean theorem. We square this. So that would be square of that, plus S over 2 square is equal to 6 square. So I'm going to factor out an S square. We'll have 1/4 root 2 minus 1 square plus 1/4, and then we'll have 36 here. So we just have to simplify that. Actually, we can move the 4 to the other side and then square that. So that would be 2 plus 1 minus 2 root 2 plus 1. I've moved the 4 over to that place here. So that becomes 4 minus 2 root 2. S square, because I really just need the area, so I don't need to take a square root further. I'm going to factor out a 2. So that will knock out this guy. So now we're at 72 over 2 minus root 2. I'll rationalize this. I need to be 2 plus root 2 and 2 plus root 2. So the bottom becomes, using the difference of squares, is 4 minus 2, which is 2. That knocks out this back to 36, and so we end up with S square is 36 times 2 plus root 2, which is answer choice D.